Hello.
Yeah,
What's going on?
They were protesting, and I came out to protest as well.
Okay.
And he told me I've traded my race, I'm a white bitch, and I need to go home, and revealed his gun to me.
Okay, but did he pull it out?
No.
Okay.
He revealed it to me.
Okay.
That's threatening.
He's allowed to carry a firearm.
To show it to someone to make a threat?
What did he say when he showed it to you?
Of course he didn't say anything. He showed it to me and said I'm a white bitch and I need to leave. And showed me his gun.
But you get what they're doing here, right?
No, I don't. They're being racist, and I'm not having it. And I'm going to stand here with my sign just as much as they can.
But they're trying to get you to call us so that we interact and make this worse than it is, just so you know. So.
Well, they can't threaten me with a gun, though.
But he
threatened me.
Okay. Do you want to file a report?
Yeah.
Do you know which gentleman it was?
I'd have to walk over there to see.
Do you want to do that, or do you not feel comfortable with that?
No, I want to do that because you're with me.
Okay. Hello. Good. How are you?
Good.
Oh, I'm sure they're all covered up now. Which person threatened me with a gun?
Nobody.
No one.
Not a single person threatened you.
That guy right there.
Not a single
That's him.
person threatened you.
Okay, I'll talk to him.
Threatened me with your gun.
I'm open carrying, ma'am.
No, you showed it to me.
Hang on,
You lifted it up like this
It's been
and pointed
open
to
the
it.
I'll come back and talk.
Pointed to
I'll
it.
come back and talk to you.
He's open carrying. He's doing his legal carry.
Okay, so the gentleman is open carrying, which means that he can have his firearm on him. Okay.
That's fine.
When
I
he
get that, but he
threatened you,
can't show it to me like this and point to it.
well,
That's a threat.
it's not.
It's not a threat.
No, it's not. Did he say anything like I'm going to use this?
No, he told me I'm a white bitch and I need to leave.
Okay, but open carry means that they can have firearms in open, display
And
it in
show
open.
it to people as a threat.
It's not. But it wasn't. He
was a
didn't
threat.
say I'm going to shoot you or I'm going
Does
to
he
hurt
need
you.
to?
Yeah. Do you want to file a report?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Excuse me. Can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah, sure.
What happened?
I'm sorry?
What happened? Did you have an interaction with her?
Just a little bit. We told her to stay out of the street because she was in the street. But I never brandished my weapon or pulled anything. It's visible, right? Yeah, we got it on camera. No one's like.
You do have a report?
Yeah.
I'm sure I don't have it, but I mean, I have 4 guys recording.
Yeah. I don't think that.
If you have somebody recording it, can they send it to me?
Yeah.
All right, I got it right here, brother.
Let me see.
Take it back a little bit.
Can one of you guys send me that? He's got my card. Just email it if you could.
Sure.
Absolutely,
Okay,
brother.
thank you guys.
Appreciate you.
So did this happen like right here?
Yep.
Okay, so they have a video. They showed me the video of it.
Of him showing it
Because
to me?
he never showed it.
He
Okay.
did. He pulled his coat back so I could see it.
Okay. Well, the video shows him standing there talking to you. Whether you can see that part or not, I'll have to look at. Okay. But he's allowed to show his firearm. It's in open carry, which means he's carrying it so people can see it. So they can do that. Okay.
Okay.
If you're going to stay here, just make sure you stay out of the road. We can't go in the
Okay.
roadway, and you got to be on the sidewalk. Okay.
Okay.
I'll have a report on file. I'll take a good look at the video and see if there's anything there. He did identify himself. I positively identified him, so I have his information. Okay. So they're going to be here, just so you know. It's not going to get any easier. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
I'm not leaving.
Okay.
I have a right to stand up for what I stand for, too.
Absolutely.
It's not racism.